Hello YouTube, I have the MJX Hyper Go. This is the Lancia rally car, not licensed. The model number is 14302. It's beautiful, has nice colors. In a previous video I called this the BMW Lancia. Thanks for the comments. It's not a BMW, right? That was my fault. It just looked to me like a BMW because of the colors. So that was a big mistake. Well, the viewers, they were kind enough to let me know that this is not a BMW, right? Anyway, this is going to be a video of me running through the dirt here. I did record videos about this car already, running through snow, as well as running through the pavement and hard surfaces. This video will be all about running in the dirt and gravel and bigger rocks. I just went through the gravel right there, mid-sized gravel, but while it's hitting the dirt, it just slides and drifts pretty well. It's beautiful to see. Hit a big pothole right there, and it's just so much fun, right? You can see the LEDs as well, it's all on. Got some bigger rocks over there and it's jumping through. This particular vehicle handled a little bit better than the Citroën that I also have from MJX. Although the chassis is about the same, I believe because it has a smaller front bumper, it just went better through the bigger rocks. The vehicle is pretty quick. It's running a 2S LiPo battery, and I'm not doing full throttle just because it's so loose, the surfaces right here, that the car would spin. It would be very hard to control. See here, much bigger rocks. I'm just going to push it a little bit and just goes through those bigger rocks, no problem. If it gets a bigger rock underneath the chassis, it might get stuck. It doesn't have a huge clearance. It sits really low in the ground. But while it's in the more hard surface with all this loose dirt, it's a blast. It's so cool. I'm enjoying these Hyper Goes a lot. I like this brand. I like the cars that they are producing. They are durable and fun to drive. Kicks dirt everywhere. Hit the pothole once more. I didn't want to go in the mud. I assume it could, but you don't want to get all the mud in the car. Planning to run only on the dry dirt. So that's what I'm doing here. The car is fun, using the medium hard rubber compound as the tires. Comes with 3 sets of tires, soft rubber, hard plastics for drifting, and this medium size medium hard compound, which works pretty well in the dirt. Even through the grass it was going well until I got a bigger rock. You see the front end of the car is kind of lift up. It's because it got some nice big rocks underneath. Give it a little push and it glides through again. I'm doing this curve side to side, getting all of this dirt up and high. I didn't want to get this into the mud, so I had to stop there. You may get some rocks into the steering mechanism, and then it can jam and you can burn a servo pretty quick. This is the biggest advice. Be careful if you're playing in a location like this and you get a lot of rocks, you may jam your steering and you can burn if you keep trying. Like you can see here, it just steers to one side. That's because there were a rock inside. and I was only able to move from one side. So I had to take the cover off, clear some of the rocks, and then keep on going. The car has nice colors, and just running for a couple of minutes you see how much dust it collects. Just removing the cover here and see, let's do a quick inspection. Remove all of those clips, four clips for the external shell. Then yes, you do have to unconnect the lighting cable from the receiver. Looks both fans are running. The dust cover is trying to protect from bigger rocks, but I don't know if it really protects that much or if it only keeps the rocks inside. So I'm removing the dust cover. Look the size of the rocks that it did collect. So it's really picking up a lot of rocks and dirt, and then it just jams the steering. I hope that you liked and you see how this vehicle performs in the dirt condition. It's pretty cool. The tires are pretty worn out. It wasn't by this run, it was running the pavement. So I hope that you liked. Please consider subscribing, like, dislike, leave your comment. Thank you very much. Bye.